With a team experienced in all aspects of welding, you can trust ReadyArc as your go-to source for welding knowledge in the rental equipment industry. ReadyArc is an equipment rental company focused on serving your needs by providing equipment, expertise, and turnkey solutions that help you get the job done efficiently. ReadyArc is with you from start to finish. As you're planning your equipment needs, we can help you navigate along the way and provide guidance on scaling up your welding equipment fleet with flexible acquisition options to rent, lease, or purchase. Our team of welding and automation specialists are industry-certified professionals who understand the complex science behind welding and the unique challenges of the industries we serve. You're fully supported with ReadyArc. From offering expert product and process selection advice to helping you diagnose and correct welding procedures or analyzing your welding operations. Our goal is to collaborate with you to find solutions that help you reduce costs and maximize productivity. We're hands-on. Our knowledgeable associates go on site and work closely with you to understand the details of your specific project, overcome challenges, and help you make critical decisions about processes and equipment. When you're ready to weld, we're ready with the equipment and welding expertise you can trust. Reach out to a knowledgeable ReadyArc weld specialist today.